Premium mobile sports massage therapy in Knightsbridge, Central London, and Mayfair. Experience the luxury of mobile sports massage therapy delivered directly to your home in Knightsbridge, Central London, Mayfair, or nearby areas. Our professional mobile therapist arrives fully equipped with everything needed, including a premium massage table, to provide a rejuvenating and relaxing session tailored to your needs, all in the comfort of your space. We serve Knightsbridge, SW1X, SW3, Mayfair, W1K, W1J, Belgravia, SW1W, Chelsea, SW10, Kensington, W8, and other central London zones. Our sessions are fully mobile and can be scheduled outside of office hours to suit your lifestyle and busy schedule. We even offer urgent appointments with availability to visit within the next hour of booking, so you can take advantage of our special discounted rates. Whether you're recovering from an injury, relieving muscle tension, or enhancing your athletic performance, our bespoke therapy is designed to leave you feeling revitalized, stress-free, and at your absolute best. Pricing starts at $185 per hour for a single session, with an exclusive 2-hour session available for just $250. We are available 24/7, ensuring flexibility for early mornings, evenings, or weekends. Contact us today to book your session and enjoy professional, customized care at your convenience, wherever you are in Knightsbridge, Central London, Mayfair, or adjacent areas.